Guardian AI Reviews puts your entire online reputation in one place. Reviews from Google, Facebook and more land in a single inbox, and you're alerted the moment a new one arrives, so nothing slips through the cracks. Growing reviews is effortless. After each visit, Guardian AI Reviews sends your patient a WhatsApp review request, the channel they actually open, with a one-tap link. No apps, no logins, just genuine feedback. See exactly where you stand. Guardian AI Reviews benchmarks your rating against nearby competitors, so you know who's ahead, who's behind, and where to focus next. And with clear analytics and monthly reports, you can track your rating and sentiment over time, turning everyday patient goodwill into a stronger reputation and more new patients.